The most dangerous lies you ever hear come from inside your own head. Every morning, before you open your eyes. That was Zion's whole situation. Zion was 23. Low-key, he was cooked. Not movie cooked, the real kind. Wake up at noon, stare at ceiling, scroll for 2 hours, feel worse. He applied to 47 jobs, 47 rejections. Some did not even bother to reject him, just silence. And every rejection, that voice got louder. You are not good enough. Nobody wants you. The wild thing about negative thinking is that it does not feel like thinking. It feels like truth. He was not saying, I think I will fail. He was saying, I know I will fail. There is a difference, a big one. Because when you think something might happen, you can fight it. But when you know something, you stop fighting. Zion had stopped fighting a long time ago. His cousin Ray came through one night, uninvited, knocked at 7 p.m. Zion almost did not answer. Ray was one of those people, not rich, not famous, just solid. When he walked in the room, felt more real. Ray looked around, looked at Zion, did not say anything about the mess, just said, You eat today? They walked to an old diner 2 blocks away, smelled like butter and coffee. Ray ordered for both of them, did not ask what Zion wanted. Zion was waiting for the lecture, the get yourself together speech. He had heard it before. Ray did not say that. Ray said, Every time something good almost happens, you find a reason it will not work. Zion wanted to say that was not true, but he could not, because it was exactly true. Ray said he failed a business, lost his car, girlfriend left, all in 1 year. Lying on his sister's couch, staring at the ceiling, thinking he was built broken. Zion said, So what changed? Ray said, I stopped letting my first thought be my loudest thought. Zion said, What does that even mean? Ray picked up his coffee mug. Every morning, your brain starts talking. It is going to talk no matter what. But the first voice sets the whole tone, for the whole day, no cap. If you wake up aiming at the problem, you spend all day in the problem. If you aim even slightly towards something true and good, your mind will follow. Zion said, So just think positive. Ray laughed. He said, No. Think accurate. Find one thing that is actually true, not fake, not a lie. One real thing. Let that be your first voice. Zion said, What if I cannot find anything? Ray said, Then find the smallest thing. Yesterday, my first true thought was, my back does not hurt. Today, that was it. I built the whole day from there. Zion almost laughed. Ray said, I am dead serious. Start microscopic. Real beats perfect every time. For the next 21 days before you touch your phone, say one true thing out loud. Zion said, That seems too simple, friend. Ray said, Everything that works seems too simple until you do it. Day 1. Zion tried. Phone face down, waited for a true, good thing. Brain immediately went to the rejections. He pushed past all of it. Finally said out loud, I woke up. That was all he had. Day 7. Something small shifted. The dark voice took a second longer. That gap, that 1 second of silence, felt different. Day 14. He updated his resume, had not touched it in 6 months. Just updated it. That was more forward movement than he made in half a year. Day 21. He called Ray, said, I feel less like I am drowning. Ray said, that is it. That is exactly it. Positive thinking does not make you fly. It stops the drowning first. Then you can swim. Then you can build. But you cannot do any of that while you are drowning in your own head. Zion sat with that. Week 5. Zion applied for a job, different this time, not bracing for rejection. Applying from a different place. Still nervous, still uncertain, but not already defeated before he started. Week 6, he got a call back. Week 7, he walked into interview. He walked in like a person who believed he was worth interviewing. He got the job. Was it the positive thinking? Partially. But more than that, he stopped drowning long enough to show up. Your mind goes where you aim it. Every single morning, you have been aiming it at the problem without knowing it. But you can change the aim, one small, true thought at a time. You do not need to believe everything is fine. Just find one thing that is. The voice that speaks first sets the tone for everything. Make sure it is yours, not your fear, not your history. Yours. Tomorrow morning, before the phone, before the scroll, find one true thing. Even if it is just, I woke up. Start there and watch what grows. Your first thought in the morning is a seed. Choose it carefully. Positive thinking will not make you fly. It will stop you from drowning. And that is where everything starts. Before the phone tomorrow morning, find one true thing, even the smallest one. Start there. Your support gives us strength to create more stories. Please follow Tales by Success and watch more stories. Every day, a new lesson waits for you. Share this with someone who needs to hear this today. See you in the next story.